Good morning, students. The previous class we studied about the area of right angled triangle, and what was the area? It is the half of the product of the perpendicular sides. Area of right angled triangle is half of the product of the perpendicular sides. Today we are discussing about the other types of triangles. How will you find out the area of other triangles? So how will you find out the areas of this triangle? This is not a right angle triangle, so we should make into a right angle triangle. How we can make? Draw a perpendicular line from this top to here to the bottom line. We will get two right angle triangles here, or by drawing a line we are cutting this triangle into two right angle triangles, and right angle triangles we know how to find out the area. So make into two triangles and we are finding out the area separately and added together. Here this length is, the perpendicular length is 3 centimeter here it is 2 centimeter, and this length is 4. So first we are getting a triangle of perpendicular sides 3 and 2. Next we are getting a triangle of perpendicular sides 3 and 4. So what is the area of a triangle? Area of right angle triangle is equal to half into two perpendicular sides. We can write as length into breadth. So in the case of first triangle, what is the area? Half into 2 into the base length into the perpendicular side 3. So half into 2 into 3 plus the next triangle, half into the second triangle, half into base area 4, base length 4 and the perpendicular side 3. So half into 4 into 3. So this 2 should be cancelled, we will get 3. Then 2 and 4 should be cancelled, we will get 6. So here we are getting as 3 and here we are getting as 6. So 6 plus 3 we are getting as 9 centimeter square or square centimeter, anyone you can write. So the total area of this triangle is how much? 9 square centimeter or centimeter square. So the triangles like this we are splitting into a right angle triangle, then we are finding out the area. So we are getting the answer like this: half into 2 into 3 plus half into 4 into 3. So together we are getting 9 centimeter square. See the general method to find out the area of a triangle. So see this one. To find the area, first we have to draw a perpendicular from top corner to the bottom corner. Corner to divide it into two right angled triangles. By drawing this perpendicular, this triangle become divided into two or split into two right angle triangles we are getting here. And in the first triangle, this perpendicular length writing as Z, the base length we are writing as Y. Another triangle, this is the first triangle, this is the second triangle. Second triangle, the base length written as X. So how will you find out the area of this triangle? So the sum of areas of right angle triangle is equal to half into Z, or you can write this one as first. So X into Z, half into X into Z plus half into Y into Z. So X and Y are the base length and Z is the perpendicular height, you can say. So the area is equal to half into X into Z plus the next triangle half into Y into Z. So it will turn like this. Then so half into X into Z you can write as half X Z plus half into Y into Z we can write as half Y Z. Then here half Z is common. In these two, the half Z is common, so we can take it outside. So half into Z into balance remains is X here it is Y. So you can write half into X plus Y into Z. Or you can write half into Z, it should be common, into X plus y. Half into z into x is half xz. Half into z into y is half yz. So commonly you can write half into x plus y into z. That means the base length should be added together, then multiplied with the height. Okay, base length x plus y, it is written together, then multiplied by the perpendicular height. So you can write as half into area of a triangle. Any triangle is equal to the base length, total base length. We can write as x plus y. This together it is x plus y. Then multiplied by the height z. So you can get half into z into x plus y. In generally, we can write the generally like this. The area of a triangle is half the product of one side with the perpendicular from the opposite side. Area of triangle is half the product of one side with the perpendicular from the opposite side. So in the case of first triangle, how will you find out the area? The base length is 10 and height is 5. So area is equal to half into 10 into 5 we can write. Area of triangle is half the product of one side with the perpendicular from the opposite side. So half into 10 into 5. Area of this triangle is area is equal to half into base length 10 multiplied by the perpendicular height 5. Then 2 and 10 should be cancelled, you get 5. So 5 into 5, we are getting 25 centimeter square as the area of this triangle. See the second question. We have to find out the area of this triangle. Here the perpendicular length is given 4 and 5.5. The base length is given 5.5. This height is given. Perpendicular length is given 4 centimeter. So how will you find out the area? Area is equal to half into base length into the height. Okay. So half into, here the base length is 5.5. Then perpendicular length is 4 centimeter. So 55 into 4 you have to find out, and it should be divided with the 2. So it is 220 by 2. Here one decimal is there, so it should be 22 by 2. So 22 by 2 is equal to 11 centimeter square. So 11 centimeter is the area of this triangle. So base length and this perpendicular length should be multiplied. So it should be 11 centimeter square. See this figure. Here two triangles are there. We have to find out the area. So separately we have to find out the area, and we should be added together. So this concerns the first triangle. This is the second triangle. About the first triangle, what is the area? Base length is 3. So half into 3 into the perpendicular height is 6. 2 3s are 6. 3 into 3, 9 centimeter square is the area of the first triangle. Then about second triangle, area is equal to half into, what is the base length? 4 centimeter. Then what about the length? This length, how will you calculate? This length is given 2 centimeter, and this one is how much? 6. So how much is this total length? 2 plus 6, that is 8 centimeter is the total length of this perpendicular side. So half into 4 into 2 plus 6. Okay, so half into 4 into 2 plus 6 is 8. So 2 4 times should be 8. So 4 into 4, 16 centimeter square is the area of the second triangle. So the total area is equal to area of the first triangle plus area of the second triangle. First triangle is 9 and second triangle is 16. So we will get total area of the figure as 25 centimeter square. So first find out the area of the first triangle. Half into base length into height. Then area of the second triangle. For finding out the height, this 6 and 2 should be added together. So the total length is 8 centimeter. Then multiply with the base. So 4 into 2 plus 6. We will get 16 centimeter square. So finding out the total area of the figure, both the areas should be added. So the answer we are getting as 25 centimeter square. Next one, you do it as homework. Here 3 triangles are there. Either you can do it together. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 into 5 divided by 2. You can find out. Or separately you can find out. So find out the area of this one. The area of this triangle totally you are getting as 17.5 centimeter square, and this triangle we are getting the area as 21 centimeter square, and total area together it is 38.5 centimeter square. That you do it as homework. Okay, find the area of this triangle. The area of this triangle together it is 17.5, and this one is 21 centimeter. 21 centimeter, and the total area should be, total area is equal to 38.5 centimeter square. That you do it as homework. These type of questions we done in the first class. First you have to find out the area of this triangle, area of the rectangle, next area of this, next right angle. So how will you find out the area of this one? That is half into base length 4 into 12. Then area of this rectangle, how will you find out? Area of rectangle is 10 into 12, L into B. So 10 into 12 you have to find out. Then the third triangle, this length is 12. What about here? This also 12. So area should be equal to, area should be same for these two triangles. So area is half into 4 into 12. Then after getting the answer, what we have to do? All these three areas should be added. Here it is L into B. Here it is half into L into B. Here also half into L into B. Then after getting the answer, we have to find out the total area by adding these three triangles, these three areas. So area of first triangle, area of the rectangle plus area of the second triangle. The total area you are getting as 168 centimeter square. That also you do it as homework. Look at this triangle. How will you calculate the area? Is it a right angle? No. And it is not a normal triangle like this one also. So finding out the area of this one, first you have to extend BC. Then you have to draw a perpendicular from A to this line, like this triangle. So you have to extend BC, then mark a point D, then draw the perpendicular. Then we can find out the area of ABD and ACD. Then after we have to remove this area of this triangle. So you will get the area of ABC. So the bigger area of triangle we have to find out. Then the area of this small triangle you have to find out. Then you have to minimize it. So we will get the area of the shaded portion. First we have to find out area of ABD. It is a right angled triangle. So how will you find out the area? Area is equal to half into base length BD into, which is height AD. So base length into height. BD is the base length, AD is the height. Next we have to find out the area of this small triangle ACD. That also a right angle triangle. So half into, what is the area? CD is the base length, AD is the perpendicular length. So CD into AD. So you got areas of the bigger triangle and area of the smaller one. Find out the area of the shaded portion. We have to minimize the areas of bigger one and smaller one. So area of ABD minus area of ACD. So what is the area of ABD? That is half into BD into AD minus area of ACD, half into CD into AD. In this, both half into AD is common. So half into AD into, the remaining is BD minus remaining is CD. So half into AD into BD minus CD. BD minus CD. BD is which one? BD is the total length or the total base length minimized by this smaller length. So to find out BC, BD minus CD we can find out. So BC is equal to BD minus CD. So half into AD into BD minus CD, already told that is the shaded length. So it should be BC. So this is the area of the shaded triangle. Area of which one? ABC. Triangle ABC is equal to half into AD into BC. So area of shaded portion is equal to half into BC into AD. Base length into height. So it should be done finding out like this. From the bigger triangle, we are minimizing the area of the smaller one. Then we are finding out the shaded portion. So to find out the area of this type of triangles, what do we have to do? The area of half of the product of sides, then the height from it. So here AD is the height measured from BC. So AD is the height measured from BC. So these two sides should be multiplied and take the half of that. So area of this type of triangle is equal to a half the product of side and height from it. Directly we can find out like this. A rectangular plot is 30 meters long. So the length of the plot is 30 meters. Then 10 meters wide. Width is 10 meters. Within it, a triangular part is marked for planting. So inside this rectangular plot, this area, the shaded portion, is planted with the planting. So the shaded portion is inside this rectangular area of length 30 meter and width 10 meter. First question, what is the area of the shaded portion? Second question, what is the area of the triangular part to the right of the area of planting? So first question is this one. We have to find out the area of the shaded portion. Second question, right side of this part, we have to find out the area. Then what is the area of the trapezium to the left of the plantain area? Trapezium means this one, this portion. So this is the shape of a trapezium. We have to find out the area of that trapezium also. That is the third question. So give the name of the rectangular plot as A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is the rectangular plot with the length 30 meter and width 10 meter. This is the triangular shaped planting area CEF. Triangle CEF. We have to find out the area. So to find out the area, what we have to do? First you have to draw a perpendicular FG. Then you can easily find out the length of area of the shaded portion. So first question, area of the shaded portion, that is triangle CEF. So what is the area of a triangle? Half into the base length. What is that? CE. C into perpendicular length FG or GF. FG. So half into, what is C? C is given in the question already, that is 20 meters. Total length of the rectangle is 20 meter and the shaded portion, the length is 20 meter. So C is 20 into FG. FG, what is the length, breadth? That is equal to 10 meter. That is the breadth of the rectangle. So FG is 10 meter. So FG is 10. So half into 20 into 10. This you can cancel it. So 10 into 10, 100 centimeter square is the area of the shaded portion. So first you have to draw a perpendicular, then find out the area of triangle CEF. Area is equal to half into base length into perpendicular height. The perpendicular height is same as the breadth of the rectangle. So half into 20 into 10. 2 into 20 by 2 is 10. So 10 into 10 is 100 centimeter square. Sorry, not 100 centimeter square, it is centimeter square. Okay, because the is given in meters. So 10 meter and 20 meter. So it is 100 meter square. So the first question you got the shaded portion, the area is 100 meter square. Next one, the area of the triangular part to the right of the plantain. So that is the second portion. This portion we have to find out the area. Here this is the right angle triangle. You can call it as triangle FBC. So that is triangle FBC. We have to find out the area of triangle FBC. So half into FB, length of the triangle, and multiplied by the height BC. So half into FB is given 16 meter in the question. So 16 into BC is 10. 8 2s are 16. 8 into 10, 80 meter square. So the second portion, the area of triangle is how much? 80 meter square. So the length of the triangle multiplied by the height. So FB into BC. FB is 16 and BC is 10. So answer you are getting as 80 meter square. Next we have to find out the area of the trapezium to the left of the plantain. That is this portion. So drawn here ADEF. That is a trapezium. So to find out the area of trapezium, first you have to draw a perpendicular area. So we will get a rectangle and a triangle. So you can find out the area of rectangle and area of triangle. So if we add it together, we will get the area of the trapezium. So drawn like this. So this length should be, the total length is 30 and here it is 20. So this length should be 30 minus 20. You will get 10 meters. The same length you are getting here also, 10 meters. So the trapezium, sorry, in this rectangle, here the length is 10 meter. Here also 10 meter. What about the breadth of the rectangle? First rectangle 10 meter. So here also 10 meter. So you are getting a rectangle of 10 into 10 meters. Okay. Then a triangle you are getting. This length is 16 and total length is 20 here. So what about here? It is 20 minus 16. You are getting as 4 meter. So this length is 4 meter. What about this one? 10 meter. That is the perpendicular length. So to find out the area of trapezium, ADEF. So what we have to do? We have to add the area of the rectangle plus area of triangle. This is the area of rectangle and area of triangle. So area of rectangle ADEH plus area of triangle FEH. These two together we have to add it. So what is the area of rectangle? ADEH. That is AH into AD. That is the area of the rectangle plus area of triangle half into HF into HE. That is a perpendicular height. So what is H? It is 10 meter. What is AD? That is same as the breadth of the rectangle, 10 plus half into HF. HF is 4 meter. Then H is 10 meter again. That is the breadth of the rectangle. Here is also 10. Both should be added. So 10 into 10, 100 meter square plus half into 40. So 100 meter square plus this you can get us 20. So 20 meter square. So together we are getting us 120 meter square. That is the area of the trapezium. So area of trapezium we are getting by adding area of rectangle plus area of triangle. That is getting us 120 meter. So to find out the area of trapezium, first we have to find out the area of this rectangle. Then we have to find out the area of the small triangle. Area of rectangle plus area of triangle. We are getting the area of a trapezium. So 10 into 10. That is the area of rectangle, 100 meter square. Then area of triangle is 4 meter into 10 divided by 2. So half into 4 into 10. We are getting us 20 meter square. So area of rectangle plus area of triangle together it is 120. 120 meter is the area of what? Area of ADEH. Sorry, ADEF. That is the area of the trapezium. Next one. In triangle ABC, the angle at B is right. So this is the triangle ABC. And the angle B is a right angle. In question diagram is not there. We have to draw it. Then its area is 48 centimeter square. So area of this triangle is 48 centimeter square. Then and the length of BC is 8 centimeter. In triangle ABC, B is right angle and area of this triangle is 48 centimeter square. Then the base length is given 8 centimeter. Then the second part, the side BC is extended. BC is extended by 6 centimeters to D. So BC is extended to D with a length of 6 centimeter. Then we have to find out the area of ADC. This area we have to find out. So triangle ABC is given, area is given and base length is given, but this height is not given. That we have to find out first. Then using that we have to find out the area of triangle ADC. So how will you find out this H? Area is given and base length is given. We have to find out H. So area of triangle ABC is given in the question, that is 48 centimeter square. And what is the area of triangle? Half into base length BC into AB. Okay. Here area is already given how much? 48 centimeter square. Then half into BC, we know it is 8 centimeters. AB it is not given. So we have to find out AB first using this area. Area is already given 48. So instead of area write 48. BC is 8 centimeters. AB we have to find out. So 48, this 2 is divided here, it will come to this side, so it is into 2. Then 8 is multiplied here, so it will come to this side, it is division, so that is equal to AB. So finding out AB, these two numbers should be taken this 1 by 2 become 2 by moving to the other side, and multiplication become division here. Here division become multiplication and multiplication become division. So 48 into 2 by 8 is AB. Then 6 8s are 48. So 6 2s are 12. So 12 centimeter is the length of AB. So see again, half into 8 into AB is 48. 48 is given, 8 is also given. So the area, equation of area is this one, and area is already given. So find out AB. 48 division become multiplication into 2 by multiplication become division. 6 8 6 8 6 are 48. 6 into 2 12 centimeter, sorry, not centimeter square, it is centimeter, because that is the height. So 12 centimeter you got as AB. So this height is 12 centimeter. Next is the second part. Triangle ADC we have to find out. This, the base length is given 6 and the height is given 12 centimeter. So triangle ADC is equal to half into base length is CD into what is the height, that is same as H, that is AB itself. So half into CD is 6 centimeter into AB is 12. So 6 2s are 12. 6 into 6 36 centimeter square. So the area of the triangle we have to find out. Base length into height. Perpendicular height means from A to B. What is the height? That is same for a triangle ADC also. So DC into perpendicular height is 12 centimeter. That you find out earlier. So half into 6 into 12. 6 2s are 12. 6 into 6 36 centimeter square. So the area of this triangle is 36 centimeter square. So see the question again. Area of triangle ABC is given 48 and base length is given, but the height is not given. So using this area and length we have to find out the height H. So you got H as 12 centimeter. Half into 8 into AB is 48. So AB should be 12 centimeter. Using the same height we have to find out triangle ADC also. The base length is given 6 and same height we have to use it, the perpendicular height of the triangle. So should be 36 centimeter square.